What's up guys? This is Jackie, your Nerdecrafter, also known as YouTube's sweetheart. I'm just kidding. I know exactly who YouTube's sweetheart is, and it is Rosanna Pansino from Nerdy Nummies. If you guys ever want to follow any of your favorite YouTubers' tutorials, go ahead and do that. It's almost like a forced collaboration that they don't know about. Normally, I'm about 2 months late to trends, but guess what? This time, I am catching one pretty soon in its awakening? Let's use awakening. So I figured Nerdecrafter meets Nerdy Nummies. Rosanna did one polymer clay tutorial. Yes, she did one polymer clay tutorial, and at first I was like, I am done for. She has polymer clay and I don't. I have polymer clay too, but she has polymer clay and more subscribers. I am so done for. But it turned out that she only did one. You could do more, Ro. I give you permission. This week's shout out goes to Annie Goes Around from Germany, and she made this gorgeous piece based on my tutorial. If you want a shout out in my next video, don't forget to hashtag Nerdification Squad in the comment section below within the first 45 minutes of a video's release, or hashtag Nerdecrafter on Instagram anytime. And so for this week, for once, I'll be the one following a tutorial, and it'll be from Rosanna Pansino's Smart Cookie DIY. So you guys will see me follow her tutorial as closely as possible. Hopefully I have all the materials that she's saying. So I looked at the thumbnail and I took out the colors I thought I saw, so hopefully this will do. This, I don't know what this is. Without further delay, let's start her tutorial.
Hey guys, it's Ro. I just wanted to make a video because today I'm going to be making DIY smart cookie magnets. I'm going to make them to look like the Nerdy Nummies logo. A few years ago, I made keyboard magnets using the keys from a keyboard. It was really fun because I could write little messages for my roommates and hang your grocery list. And I've been meaning to do a craft project with polymer clay. I really like working with polymer clay because it's similar to baking. Today we are going to be making DIY smart cookie magnets. The things you'll need will be polymer clay. The colors that you're gonna need are black, brown, white, tan,
black,
and light pink.
Brown, white, got it, pink, got it. What's this piece of white? Get out of here. And then the next one, tan? No, tan and then pink. There we go.
2 small oval cookie cutters. One is 1 inch and the other is 3/4 inch.
It seems like I'm already missing something. Hang on, let me pause this. So it seems that I am missing something. I don't have oval cut. What's wrong with my head today? Yeah, I don't know. I don't have oval cutters. One is supposed to be about 1 inch. Okay, this is 1 inch, and the other one is 3/4. Yeah, I think so. But these are circles, so I don't know. I don't know if that's okay. All right, let's keep going now.
The first thing that we're gonna do is open our tan polymer clay and cut it in half using our exacto knife. This isn't food.
Wait, we have to open our tan clay? What if mine is open? Mine is open! What do I do? I was supposed to follow instructions.
Cookie, you don't want any of this. The reason I'm doing this is because each of the little packets of clay that I got are 2 ounces, and I want each cookie magnet to be 1 ounce.
Okay, let's do the full half. Ro, why? That is one expensive cookie, man. That's costing you more than real cookies. Oh my god. I'm gonna use a blue background just because the colors are kind of light and I want you guys to see what the heck's going on. Alright, so we have our colors all rolled up, but we're gonna start with this one. What do I do, Ro? Guide me.
Using your hand, I'm using my palm, I'm just flattening it down, and you're just gonna keep working it until it's about 2 inches wide. Boom! And there we go. It's already starting to look like a cookie. This is kind of like what my sugar cookies look like after I've baked them. I flatten it out to be a little less than ½ an inch thick, and it's about 2 inches in diameter. Okay, so we need to flatten it down
with our error perm. Okay, so let's get it up until about 2 inches. Okay, that's about 2 inches. Okay, there's a crack. She doesn't say anything about smoothing pieces, guys, so we're gonna leave our cookie exactly as it is. Okay, so I think we have it.
Boom! And there we
go. Boom! We got it.
We've shaped all of our tan clay. I want them to look a little bit more like a cookie and to have a little bit of texture. So you're gonna take a toothbrush and then you're just gonna press boop, boop, boop all the way around. Just keep doing this.
And she said to go boop, boop, boop. Let's see if that works.
Press boop, boop, boop all the way around.
Boop, boop. Oh, look at that. Boop, 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 boop. I'm pretty sure the sound effects make the creations even better, so I need to start using more sound effects when I'm actually creating stuff. It's looking pretty good. Even the cracks kind of look natural, like they were baked.
And now we're gonna add a little bit of color. Over here, I've got my tray with my 2 chalk colors, brown and yellow. You're gonna take your exacto knife and we're gonna shave off some of our chalk. This is what our little chalk dust should look like, and this is so fun. I feel kind of like a beauty guru, like
so yellow and brown chalk pastel. She has chalk, but let's use chalk pastel. It looks
like a baked cookie. Now we are gonna combine our color palette. I'm gonna take a little bit of brown and a little bit of yellow, and I'm gonna mix it around, just blend these two together. I feel like Bob Ross
brown
today.
At the bottom.
I'm just gonna brush right here all along the edges for a nice golden brown.
Both.
Lastly, we're gonna take a little bit of yellow, just do a few strokes.
There we go. Makeup artists have a lot of colors. I have chalk pastels because I'm not a makeup artist. There's some of that yellow. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Ro, what happened? My cookie burnt. Why is this cookie so big? I feel like I can knock myself out with this. Ah, sugar snaps. Take some of the yellow. Dang it. We can't really see her cookie though. Cookie dough. What's wrong with me today?
Next thing that we're gonna make are the Nerdy Nummies eyeballs and glasses. Using our fondant roller, I'm gonna roll out our white and black clay. I'm taking the bigger oval and I'm gonna cut out 2 for each cookie. Then
okay, hang on. One step. Let's go one step at a time. So we need white. Flatten it out. 2 of these. Actually, you know what? I could probably just stretch it just a little. All stretched. We have an oval.
And take the same larger oval cookie cutter. We're gonna cut out again 8 of these. They're not quite done yet. We're gonna cut out the center to look like glasses. You're gonna take the smaller oval cookie cutter and just do a second cut right inside.
Let's do the glasses. And then we're supposed to do the cutting over here. I think they're too big.
We've got the rims of our glasses cut out over here, and now I'm gonna take this fondant tool. It's a ball tool, it has a little ball at the end, and I'm just gonna use it by applying a little bit of pressure, being really gentle on the outside of the rim and the inside of the oval to make our glass frames nice and smooth.
Okay, so we need to smooth the edges. I think it's smooth. Oh my god, no! Don't use your fingers, Jackie. No. Use the tool. Now what? Our glasses are done.
All of our little clay frames are ready, and now I'm gonna start putting them on our eyeballs. I'm just gonna pick them up one at a time. I'm using a little tool to help me. Then I'm just gonna place them on top of our white eyeballs.
Okay, so now we're placing them on the eyebrows. There we go. Hey, that's a pretty good fit. Did I just turn Italian for 2 seconds? Hey, it's pretty good. I think so. They do look like glasses. That is pretty cute. There's some dust on there, but again, she's not saying to clean that up, so I'm gonna assume her puppy doesn't shed any fur.
Using our other clay colors, I've rolled a really thin little snake of the pink, black, and white clay. Using our exacto knife, we're gonna cut 2 larger pieces. Then I'm gonna roll them into a ball. Using my thumb, just gonna flatten them. I'm gonna pick them up and bring them over here. Then we're gonna cut out 2 very small pieces of white and pick them up. Place them on top of our black eyeball. Now I'm gonna cut out some cute little cheeks. Cheeks. She's over it. Same thing, I'm just gonna cut out a little bit of our pink snake. Place them on top, right at the edge. Time to start assembly.
Got it. Bro, that camera angle is not good for clay. Okay, so we're making the eyeballs. I don't know if they're both facing the inside or are they in the center of the eye. Ro, help me out here. Help me out here, buddy. Ro, why aren't you showing me? That's what I got. That's what I'm sticking to. I'm going to make another assumption and say on the inside top, like that. It's looking so cute. It's actually looking pretty cute, so I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so far so good.
Assembly. We're gonna take one of these little guys. We're gonna place it onto the cookie. So cute. And starting to look like a little smart cookie. We're gonna keep adding some details.
Ooh, okay, time to put it all together. I love Ro, by the way. She's one of the inspirations for me to have actually started my channel, so don't take offense or French to that. Okay, so let's get the eyes on the cookie. We're not even using liquid Sculpey. This is making me really nervous. Here, it was kind of sticking out. Let me just see what they look like. Oh my gosh! That is so cute. Wait, is mine a little wonky? I think mine is just a little wonky. We're doing good progress here. This is absolutely adorable. A little wonky though.
I'm gonna cut 2 small pieces, roll them into balls, and smush them, and put them on the end of the glass frame. Then we're gonna cut another piece of black, roll it a little bit thinner, and place them on top to connect our glasses.
So the outer part of the glasses, there. So cute. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Wait, was I supposed to put it this high or lower? I don't know. We need to see your piece closer.
Black clay detail for decoration is going to be the smiley face. We're gonna cut one last piece, roll it out a little bit, and then into a smile. Pick them up, place them on the cookie.
It was actually supposed to be pretty close to the top, so kind of here.
Final decoration step, we are going to be using our brown clay to make little mini chocolate chips. As most of you know, the Nerdy Nummies cookie has 6 chocolate chips. There's 4 on the top and 2
as we
on
all
the bottom.
know.
Down here, I've rolled out our brown clay into a small little snake, and then taking our exacto knife, I'm going to cut little even measurements. Once you've rolled them into balls, we are going to mold them into little chocolate chips. You're going to use your thumb and your pointer finger, and you're just going to kind of pinch and twist. Here.
How many did you say again? I forgot. How many?
As most of you know, the Nerdy Nummies cookie has 6 chocolate chips. There's 4 on the top and 2 on the bottom.
Okay, so we need 6. Pinch and twist. Like that. Oh, that was pretty easy. That is a good way to describe chocolate chips.
Here we go. Now that we've got 6, we are going to stick them onto your cookie. You're going to take the little ball tool. You're going to add a little bit of pressure, making a cavity, and then place the chocolate chip on top. We've finished one of our cookies, and now I'm going to decorate the 3 over here to make them match. Once your clay cookies are assembled, it is time to bake them.
Okay, so now we have to make an indent. Oh, dang it. I did not leave enough space for 4 on top. Can this be removed? Yep. Oh, thank goodness we did not use liquid Sculpey. She said 4 on top, and they were kind of staggered. She didn't say they were staggered, but from what I see from that angle, 2, 3, and 4. So I don't know why we're doing the indent though. Why are we doing the indent? Ooh, let's take a moment for the garbage trucks. All right, let's keep going. Wait, bro, you didn't say where to put the bottom ones. You didn't even show putting the bottom ones. Are they on, dang it. Are they on either side of the mouth? Are they on the side? Are they under the mouth? I'm panicking. How are you guys following tutorials? I don't follow tutorials. This is, oh my god. Dang nabbit, Ro. Dang nabbit. So I think one is here and the other is there. Here it is so far. So now she said to bake it.
Heat your oven to 275 degrees and bake for about 15 minutes.
I made a
smart cookie. Okay, it's baked. It's cooled down, as Ro had said. Hang on, where are we?
To assemble our magnet, it's very easy. I'm just gonna take a cookie, flip it over onto the back side, take a little bit of super glue. Just be careful, because super glue is super sticky, and someone may have glued their fingers together before in the past.
Ro, do not feel alone. I have glued my fingers together more times than I'd like to admit, especially with a hot glue gun, so I have given myself second-degree burns.
Now I'm going to do the last step. This is totally optional, but I'm going to be painting a very thin layer of gloss varnish all over the top of my magnet so that it has a very smooth and polished look and feel to it. I paint on a thin layer all over the cookie. Would you like a cookie? Just
such
kidding.
a troll.
They're not edible. They're not edible. They're not edible. They're not edible. These are magnets.
I'm going to skip putting a magnet in the back just because I don't have any magnets. For now, let's put a layer of gloss right on top. This is killing me. I'm like sealing in all the dirt. It's going to stay there forever.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! I am so off tune.
Here are the DIY smart cookie magnets that we made today. I am really excited to have new adorable magnets.
Here is the cookie magnet. Well, it's not a magnet yet, but I'll turn it into a magnet eventually once I get one. That we made following Rosanna Pansino Nerdy Nummies tutorial. I think it looks super cute. The only thing that I had a bit of a hard time was seeing where it was being placed, just because the camera angle was closer to outside than as close as this. but I think it's super cute. I've never followed a tutorial step by step before, so for me this was uncharted territories. I do give tutorials, but obviously I can't follow them very well, but close enough. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, as well as in the iCard section. Ro was one of the first channels that I actually subscribed to, and she was also part of the reason I decided to start a channel, because I felt like geek girls could actually make it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until then, bye bye. Oh my gosh.